Hello! Today we're going to talk about travel bans in Russia due to medical conditions. Some essential things you need to know. If a foreign national in Russia is diagnosed with a disease listed in the Russian Ministry of Health's Order number 384, such as HIV, tuberculosis, or syphilis, the Federal Service for Surveillance and Consumer Rights Protection, Rospotrebnadzor, may issue a decision declaring their stay undesirable. If the individual does not appeal this decision and leaves voluntarily, they will still face deportation. For free advice, join our Telegram chat. The link is attached below. If you need professional assistance in lifting the ban, contact us directly via WhatsApp or Telegram. The first ground for travel bans that we're going to cover is tuberculosis. While Russia takes public health seriously, misdiagnoses are unfortunately common. Foreign nationals are sometimes flagged for minor lung abnormalities and placed on the blacklist without proper verification. However, even if you do have tuberculosis, the ban can be lifted after full recovery in accordance with Federal Law number 114, Government Decree number 551, Ministry of Health Order number 384. Here are some steps you need to undertake to lift the ban. 1. Obtain a medical certificate. This must be an official document from a state medical institution confirming your full recovery. It should include the medical facility's details, name, stamp, and doctor's signature, a statement that you've completed treatment and are no longer infectious. Finally, you should not be older than 3 months from the date of issuance. 2. Submit an appeal to Rospotrebnadzor. Your application must include personal details, key facts, reason for the ban, proof of recovery, legal references, a formal request to lift the ban, the medical certificate, not a basic note. Full documentation is required. Here's our professional tip. While regional Rospotrebnadzor offices typically handle these cases, we recommend submitting your appeal directly to the federal office. They'll forward it to the correct department. 3. Temporary approval and final clearance. If approved, you'll have 3 months to enter Russian and undergo a follow-up examination. Only after this will the ban be fully lifted. Second case is travel ban due to syphilis. The process is identical to tuberculosis. You should complete treatment and obtain a medical certificate. Submit an appeal to Rospotrebnadzor. Here are some important next steps. Wait from 2 to 2.5 months after approval before traveling. Due to bureaucratic delays between Rospotrebnadzor, regional offices, and the FSB, rushing could cause issues. Wait from 2 to 2.5 months after approval before traveling. Due to bureaucratic delays between Rospotrebnadzor, regional offices, and the FSB, rushing could cause issues. Retest in Russia. Upon arrival, visit an authorized clinic, for example, the Sakharovo Migration Center in Moscow, to get form number 001, confirming your health status. Submit the results to the Rospotrebnadzor office that issued the ban, along with a cover letter. Last but not least, travel ban due to HIV. Unlike tuberculosis or syphilis, HIV bans cannot be lifted solely through medical recovery. The only exception is if you have close family in Russia, spouse, parents, or children. They don't need to be citizens. Permanent residency suffices. Action required from you includes filing a lawsuit. Rospotrebnadzor won't overturn the ban administratively. Your claim must prove family ties in Russia, with copies of passports or residency permits, ongoing medical treatment. Failure to include this reduces success chances to near zero. Well, with tuberculosis, syphilis, and HIV everything is clear. But what should you do if the ban's cause is unknown? Submit a formal inquiry to Rospotrebnadzor via their portal. The link will be attached below either. Note: medical data is confidential, so the response will arrive by mail, not email. Provide a physical address in Russia where you can receive it. Today we discussed travel bans due to medical reasons. Here are some key takeaways. Tuberculosis, syphilis bans are liftable with proof of recovery. HIV bans are only contestable in court with family ties. Delays are inevitable, so it's better to plan travel 2+ months after approval before you cross the border. Always use official medical certificates and make sure they meet the validity criterion. Need help? Contact us for expert guidance. Let's get your ban lifted.